Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this origami lotus, origami 3D lotus. For that I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper, and then I'll be creating a plus crease over here. For that I'll be folding the paper into half both the ways. Now bringing the all four corners to the center point, that is called Blind's base. Now again bringing all the four corners to the center point. Okay, now one more time bringing all the corners to the center point. So together 3 times we are doing the Blind's base on the same side. Now finally we'll be turning this module like this and doing the Blind's base again. So total 4 times Blind's base for this particular model. 3 times on the same side, and the final time you have to turn the paper and then do it in the back side. The Blind's base on the back side you will be doing. There are many layers, so it will be a little bit difficult for you to fold. After this, all the 4 corners you have to do a small triangle by pinching it like this and folding it down. Now you have to lift one by one petals, that is by pressing the thumb over here and just press these 2 fingers like this, just to create a U shape here so that you can lift the petal easily. Be careful, don't tear the paper. Carefully you can do it like this. The same thing on all the 4 sides. So first layer of the petal is done. For the second layer, these 4 petals you have to bring it up from the back. Same procedure you are going to use. You are just pressing your thumb little bit and these 2 fingers towards up and create a U shape slowly and then lift the petal up. The second layer is also done. Now the final layer, you can't pull it up, you have to just open it like this and make a crease mark. This is the final layer of the lotus. If you want, you can curl little bit these petals. Yes, your origami lotus is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.